Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's afternoon project is dropping this oak. Now it's a pretty healthy one, except you can see the growth and the lean is a little awkward. I was cleaning out these mulberries. Had to go get another battery. And I'm just not happy with all the root and fungus and everything on this tree, so I'm not sure how long it's gonna last. Plus, I want access to the barn and the shed, and I'm gonna come through here with the trencher this weekend for water will run right through this area, so we're gonna drop this guy. And the idea is we're gonna put it right there, so see how this goes. Little saw does some work. I got a little off track with my cut here, but pretty happy with the split. Had to modify my face cut to kind of get it to rotate where I wanted it to go, but it's pretty much right on point. Didn't hit that tree, didn't hit that tree, and I think I should be about a foot short of the road. I put my truck in the road to block. Oh, more than that. All right, I overestimated the size, but there you have it, boys and girls. That's how you drop a big old oak tree without taking out your buildings and not even inconveniencing the neighbors. And welcome to Texas. I put this tree down on the ground about a half an hour ago, and it was sunny and hot, but this is as far as I'm getting for limbing today. So we'll finish wrapping this up tomorrow. Let me know in the comments below what I should do. Take it down, dig it out, do what I did over there and put a nice flower pot on the top. Just remember, I'm running a power line from there over to the building behind this one, and water's gonna run along here. So I don't want a big tree there.